Name with the beauteous name of Allah Almighty, who is aware from every beat of my heart and He is a master of the masses. So, everybody who watches, Assalamu alaikum. So, the 3D model which is placed across to me is the human urinary system. Actually, it is made by me, and to be honest with you, I have exerted a lot of hard work to make such pretty thing. So, now without wasting time, let's come to its explanation. So, this is human urinary system, and it consists of pair of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. So now know some interesting facts about kidney. Actually, kidney is considered as 10 centimeter long, 4 centimeter wide, and the most amazing fact is this one that it weighs is less than 1% of total weight of the body. And furthermore, while to be specific, it has a weight of between 127 up to 107 grams. And furthermore, that it can receive 20% blood of the body for heartbeat. So it is the amazing fact. Now, if we know it's about its external morphology, so it is considered as brown reddish in color, and furthermore, it is bean shaped. So now comes to in function, and mainly kidney performs four main function. First function is filtration, second function is reabsorption, and third function is urine formation, and fourth function is osmoregulation. So let's come to its first function, filtration. And filtration can be done by its specific part, as we know better that the each kidney consists of nephron. So the filtration can be done in specific parts of the neuron. Filtration means to filter the blood from the harmful substances including excess water, nitrogenous wastes, and salts. So now comes to its another function, which is about reabsorption. It means that when a body faces scarcity of water or any other situation related to the water, so the brain ordered the kidney to absorb much amount of water such that the body should deal that situation. And the third one function is urine formation. Actually, if we look urine, so urine is a collection of wastes of the blood including nitrogenous wastes like ammonia, etc., and salts and water. So these materials are given a specific shape, which is known as urine, and this process is known as urine formation, and which is we can say excreted from the body through urethra. And the fourth important portion, which is known as osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means the controlling or the regulating of osmosis of the body. It means that when the summer in summer we can say the water loss through skin in the form of sweating is high, so the brain will order it, order the kidney to reabsorb much water, so the body shouldn't have scarcity of water. So it means that it can maintain osmosis level in our body. So now comes to how kidney performs this function. So kidney performs this function by its basic structural and functional units. As we know that it's according to one approximation and estimation that one each kidney is considered as having 1 million of nephron. And nephron has specific parts. So in the nephron, as I said earlier, then specific parts. It means that first of all filtration will be carried out, and that reabsorption will be done at the last, that last part of the we can say of the nephron that I want to mention, that is collecting duct. Collecting duct is that spot of the nephron at which all the urine is we can say collected. So the spot at which the collecting ducts of 1 million nephrons meet at a spot which is known as renal filus. From the renal filus, the urine will go to the urinary bladder through ureter, this tube from the each kidney. So so let's know something about ureter. Ureter is a tube which carry, we can say, urine from these two kidneys to the urinary bladder. So now comes to urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is this one. Urinary bladder is a sac which can, we can say, store urine for some specific duration. Actually, if you know spectrum, so it can so when in urine of 300 up to 400 milliliter is stored in it, so it has a sphincter between the urethra and its body. So then the brain will order to open that sphincter, and it will be released to the urethra, and from the urethra it will excrete from the body to the outside environment. And the last stage is urethra, and better that words urethra is, we can see that organ through which the body can excrete their wastes, as well as they can perform reproduction activities as well. So it was a human urine system.